Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the camera video resolution size on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on the settings icon on your home screen. Next, you want to go down and choose camera. So tap on camera, and in camera tap on record video. And so you can see here you got different size that you could select. 720p HD at 30 fps. Then you got 1080 pixel. You can also choose 4K video recording at 24 frame per second, 30 frame per second, or 60 frame per second. So select one of the options, and that's it. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.